Welcome to meditation. Have you ever felt your mind lost in the swirling, endless distractions of daily life? Just a few minutes of gratitude meditation each day can profoundly boost your happiness by over 20%, gently guiding you back to a place of profound inner peace. Let your spirit softly settle into this very moment, allowing serenity to wrap around you like a gentle river serenely kissing sandy shores. This guided gratitude meditation, much like a lighthouse's steady beam, is here to lead you through any lingering shadows of stress and weariness. I used to constantly overlook life's smallest, most precious gifts, often lost in the day's chaos. But then, practicing gratitude meditation began to weave light into my spirit, steadily rekindling a deep sense of peace and calm within my heart. Now, take a moment to find your own cherished spot. Perhaps it's a breezy balcony at dawn, a cozy sofa bathed in soft light, or the peaceful shade beneath an ancient wise oak tree. Gently sit down, let your shoulders truly relax, and softly close your eyes, allowing the outside world to gently fade into a soft, misty veil of peaceful dreams. Take a deep, slow inhale for 4 counts. Imagine cool, pristine water streaming effortlessly through the tranquil valley of your weary soul, bringing refreshment and calm with every breath. Now, hold that breath for 4 counts. Feel a gentle, expansive air filling your chest, as if a beautiful lotus flower is slowly, majestically unfolding its petals under a radiant, welcoming sunrise. Slowly exhale for 6 counts, letting all your worries and any lingering tension effortlessly drift away like soft, wispy clouds, gracefully gliding across a boundless, clear blue sky. Continue this gentle, soothing cycle. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. Allow your breath to guide you, moving like gentle, rhythmic waves softly lapping on warm, golden shores. Let each conscious breath slowly guide you deeper and deeper into profound stillness, a place where every single concern becomes nothing more than a passing, gentle breeze, dissolving into the vastness. If you feel this profound peace washing over you, please take a moment to comment peace below and share this beautiful gratitude moment to help spread this tranquil calm to others. When your thoughts inevitably begin to wander, gently acknowledge them. Then softly guide your attention back to the steady rhythm of your breath, like a small, tired bird gracefully returning to its safe welcoming nest on a sturdy branch. Your mind is like a clear, sparkling river, and your thoughts are merely tiny, insignificant leaves gently drifting by on the current. Simply observe these leaves as they drift without judgment, without holding on. Allow your entire soul to softly blend into the profound, serene stillness of the universe itself. Now, deeply relax your entire body from the very top of your head, down through your shoulders, your arms, your torso, and all the way to your feet. Feel tension melting away like fresh snow, dissolving under the tender, warm glow of morning light. Feel any remaining tension effortlessly leave you, just like crystal clear water, gently washing away all dust and impurities from your spirit, leaving you feeling light and renewed. Every single breath you take is a powerful bridge connecting you more deeply to razor-sharp focus and unwavering clarity, much like an arrow piercing cleanly through soft morning clouds, reaching its destination. In this beautiful stillness, a vibrant new energy begins to awaken within you, like a tiny yet incredibly bright flame burning steadily and warmly in the midst of a vast, tranquil field of snow. You'll soon begin to feel truly alive, revitalized, and fully present, like a lush, vibrant meadow stretching joyfully under the warm, life-giving touch of the radiant sun. Practicing gratitude meditation consistently sparks profound wisdom within, much like a clear, pure stream, continuously feeding a hidden wellspring of endless creativity and inspiration. New, brilliant ideas will begin to blossom effortlessly within your mind, like countless wildflowers bursting into magnificent bloom after a gentle, nourishing spring rain. Just 5 to 10 minutes of daily gratitude meditation weaves a transformative change into your being, subtly yet powerfully, like the softest silk, gently embracing your entire soul. You'll notice distractions begin to fade, and even the most challenging tasks will feel remarkably lighter, like a vibrant kite soaring effortlessly high in the boundless, beautiful blue sky. This journey you're on is truly a journey of the soul, and each precious minute of meditation is a priceless gem, meticulously woven into the rich, intricate tapestry of your life. Even if your heart wavers or your mind feels restless, persistent practice will always gently yet surely open the door to a timeless haven of eternal peace within you. Carry this newfound, grateful light with you into your work, into your studies, and into all the warm, loving embraces that beautifully fill your days. Gratitude meditation is like a gentle, uplifting breeze, effortlessly lifting your spirit higher and higher, allowing you to touch the radiant stars of inner calm and serenity. Thank you for walking with us through this blooming garden of gratitude here at Meditation, where your soul can always find its much needed rest and rejuvenation. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more moments of peace, and kindly share this video with someone you know who truly needs a moment of calm. Also, feel free to comment a gratitude moment below. We'd love to hear from you.